So what we got here? We got Randy?
Randy, yes.
Okay. Disney Infinity?
Yeah.
Alright, shall I open it now?
Yeah.
Alright. What does it say there? Randy.
Randy. Invisible attacks.
Invisibility
Invisibility.
attacks.
Attacks.
And that's in Spanish. Ataques
Attack.
invisibles.
Days.
Okay.
Days that we can need wonderful Down Disney.
The wickedly wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay. That's not Spanish though. That's just nonsense. And here we go. We got a plastic box here. Now we open it up. There he is. Can you pull him out? There you go. Who do we have there? Show Mama.
Randy.
Alright.
I
Look, there's a little card in here too. Some instructions, but look, you have a little card with it's an infinity card with a code on it there.
I made the way he walks though.
Yeah. Here you go. There's your card.
Yeah.
Yeah. How does he walk?
Walks like this.
He wiggles his arms.
Yeah.
He scares. What does he do?
He scares people.
How does he scare people?
Ah!
Oh, show Mama.
Ah!
All right. Good job.
Here you go. I made the way he walks though.